I have for His Excellency Senator Orji Usokali. I have a lot of respect for him because if you look at his life, going back to his youth when he was in Ndigbo, this is a man that believes in Nigeria, a very pan-Nigerian man, dead to ethnicity, dead to religion, dead to religion. A lot of people don't know that. I know his history. I'm not going to go too much into that. One thing I want to say is that, unfortunately, for political reasons, I've had to be against Peter Obi because I am a very loyal person, loyal to my party and loyal to my country. And Peter Obi had run against my party, Waziri Atiku Abubakar. I was instrumental in bringing them together, and I felt a degree that I had to make my candidate vote. And then after the October 26, 2022 verdict of the Supreme Court, I threw my love completely and totally with my country and with the president of my country. And I believe that I did the right thing. And there's this perception by some that I was anti-Igbo, and nothing could be further from the truth. Nothing could be further from the truth. My ethnicity, my own ethnicity, I was a columnist on this day, I believe, from 2016 till last year. So that's going to be about how many years? 8 years thereabout. I wrote 17 articles in praise of the Igbo people of Nigeria. 17. I had not written, I think I wrote one in defense of Okotebo, who is a leading light for my people. I wrote one. But other than that, I have not written about my people. And there's no way I would do that if I don't have a lot of love and respect for the Igbo people. Some of you will go online and will just Google my children. I have a very beautiful child, and her name is Ebeli Chukwu. So I will not give my child an Igbo name if I don't have a lot of love, affection, affinity for the Igbo people. I will not. Also, and I want you, if you're watching this, to don't take my word for it, just verify, because I tend to leave a digital footprint. During the lockdown, I gave out slightly over $10,000 to Nigerians just as support. And 40% of the people who got that support were people of Igbo origin. And how you know? Because once we give out the money, we tweet or rather now they say X, we post the receipts. So you can actually go back and look because we use the hashtag. And then if you recall, in 2019 there was an Onitsha market fire. A lot of people just allowed that fire to go by. I didn't. I donated money. I donated money for that Onitsha market fire. And then the Onitsha market traders, if you Google it, they did a video thanking me. Unfortunately, they called me Reno Omokri. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. No, sir.
Because I have no.
Yes, sir.
You have rights of reply.
Yes, sir.
Because I have friends who are the son of this nation. They are friendly to every tribe. If you go to their village now in Delta State, Igbos are living there. Whether they are Igbos of Delta or they are Igbos of Onitsha or Iberi or Abia or Imo, they are living there in your village.
Yes, sir.
You are my friend.
Yes, sir.
Very good friend of mine.
Yes, sir.
You who should build togetherness for the nation.
Yes, sir.
So the nation, beyond my president,
Yes, sir.
who build friendship everywhere.
Yes, sir.
And that is what we are trying to. I want to thank you for coming with the chairman
Yes, sir.
of our party.
Yes, sir.
That shows you are a party.
Yes, sir.
Maintain that party, affiliation.
Yes, sir.
You are an ambassador of Nigeria.
Yes, sir.
And also, you can use it.
Oh, no, I want to be blessed.
Maintain the party affiliation, respect our state chairman, because if it's a state chairman in that, they can equally be state chairman in action. I'm a party man, I respect party. I congratulate you once again, and God will lead you to be a very good ambassador, and God will lead you to do things that Delta State, Nigeria people will be proud of you.
Amen, sir.
You are a very kind man. I want to thank you for all the jobs you have done for our president. And the only thing I have is when you got the Igbos.
Yes, sir.
You know I'm an Igbo man, I'm not
Yes, sir.
just like you.
Yes, sir.
a Nigerian.
Yes, sir.
They're from Igbo.
Yes, sir.
So their language now in Nigeria.
Yes, sir.
And I congratulate you once again for being passed by the Senate. And you are a nice guy. And continue to do well.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Joko.
Please, sir. Please, sir. Just allow me, sir, to stand for just 2 minutes, sir. Only 2 minutes, sir.
Tell the chairman.
Chairman, please, can I take permission?
Your Excellency, if
Yes,
you
sir.
permit.
I say you should sit down.
Yeah, 2 minutes, sir. Please, 2 minutes, sir. 2 minutes, sir.
If chairman.
Yes, sir. I just want to say that a lot of people will not realize the level of respect that I have for His Excellency, Senator Orji Yusuf. I have a lot of respect for him because if you look at his life, going back to his youth where he was in Ndigbo, this is a man that believes in Nigeria, a very pan-Nigerian man. He will get to ethnicity, get to religion, get to religion. A lot of people don't know that. I know his history. I'm not going to go too much into that.
In the heart of the city where stories unfold, Judging Media TV shining bright and bold, bringing news from the corners of the globe, connects us together, no matter the road. Watch us rise, hear the voices roar, unity and diversity, together we soar.